One king, job king, young rich, murder. Yeah, I feel on the mind, money for my mind, money for my mind.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mishi Wang, and if you're new here, then welcome. Join the family. Click the subscribe button down below. Alright, so guys, today I'll be doing a get ready with me video. Like, this is one of my favorite type of videos to do, because usually when persons are getting ready or when persons do their makeup, they do their hair also, because you do your makeup to go out, right? Anyways, all right, so I'm doing a get ready with me video today, and I'll be wearing my platinum wig. Guys, I know that this wig is in need of a touch up, a re-dye. I did the watercolor method on this hair, and the color is kind of coming out, but I think I'm liking like this burst of colors that is in the wig presently, and that's the reason why I haven't redone it. But for my eyes, as you could see in the intro, I'll be adding some rhinestones or some gems, I don't know what you want to call them, to my makeup look. And I was so feeling this look because I think that the rhinestones, like, I love diamonds, I love glitters, I like all of that kind of thing, girly stuff, right? So I think that this finally adding rhinestones to my look, as this is also trending, gave my makeup look like a refreshing look, and that's how I felt, like finally something different, something other than glitters. Alright, so I was really happy with the rhinestones and how they turned out. But for my face, I used today to prime my eyes before adding my Lord God, my eyeshadow. Before adding my eyeshadow, I primed using my NYX eyeshadow primer today. Alright, so I was in the process of moving around my makeup stuff, and so everything was all over the place. Some of our makeup are here, some of them elsewhere. Alright, so my Roma 1 base, I couldn't find it, and so I had to resort to my NYX primer, and it turned out pretty well. I found that usually I didn't like it because I didn't like using that primer because it would crease up a lot, but then I found out that after applying the primer to my eyes, then I needed to kind of like remove all the heavy stuff from, or the heavy residue from the primer, before I go ahead and add the shadow to my lids, because it's all the extra stuff from the primer that was causing the eyeshadow to crease. And so I tried it here with this, and I found that it works. So after applying, and you'll see me doing it later on, after I'm doing a cut crease now. So after doing the cut crease, I'm gonna go ahead with a brush, an eyeshadow brush, and just kind of tap the extra stuff off of my lids, the extra primer off, and go ahead and add my eyeshadow. All right, so I'm just really just cutting the crease, I'm just kind of perfecting it, and I am doing a kind of wing kind of cut crease. I'm gonna be taking it out a little bit, I think, or probably that's not for this look. No, that's not for this look, that's for another look that will be coming up. Like, guys, I have these videos, but I just have not been editing them, so in my mind I was talking about another video that I did. Alright, so this is where I am now patting the extra stuff off from the primer, and I'm now gonna go ahead and add my color to my lids, and I'm using that Fantasy palette for this makeup look. Alright, I really don't want much color, because as you could see, it was really a kind of plain look. It was just the transition color that gave it a little bit of vibe, that burgundy looking from the transition. So it was really like a nude creamish color from the palette that I am using right now on my eyelids. Yeah, after doing this makeup look, I was having like wedding vibes. I felt like a bride with my makeup. But guys, rhinestones and glitters and all of that, they're not really fitted for bridal look because the camera, the flash from the camera, they can mess your makeup, your wedding picture up. All right, so you don't want that. So that's why that's kind of like not recommended for bridal looks. But I was having wedding bridal vibe after doing this makeup look. You'll see at the end, I suppose. All right, so after adding my nude or my cream to my lids, I go ahead with that same brush that I use for my transition and just kind of like pat or like just clean up around the edges a little bit with the same brush. I don't add any extra powder shadow to the brush. I just go ahead and I just kind of dabble around the edges to get me some of that purple onto my lids. All right, so guys, as I said, my makeup, they're all over the place. So for my glitters or the rhinestones right now, I've been using eyelash glue, and it's worked well for me. So that's what I'm doing right now. I use the base of the tweezer. So I just add a little bit of the glue to the base of the tweezer and use it to pick the rhinestones up and just place them wherever on the eyes that I want them. That's where I wanted them today. I'm sure you'll be seeing some more rhinestones look, because as I said, I'm just feeling this. Alright, so that's all I did. You add the glue to the tip of the tweezer and the rhinestone just stick to it, and you stick that to your lids. Alright, so that's what I'm doing right there. I'm finished with the rhinestone. I don't want to overdo my eyes with the rhinestones, and I go ahead and add my lashes. And you can get these lashes from Beauty Marked by Wang on Instagram. For my foundation, I'm using the same thing, like my Maybelline Superstay. That's my holy grail. That's what I'm always using. Since I found the Superstay, I kind of like graduated from the Fit Me. If I'm using the Fit Me, then I use a little bit of Superstay along with it, because the Superstay is just a bit heavier than the Fit Me. I only use Fit Me when I want something light, like for work or so on. But I hardly do makeup for work, guys. But this is me right now doing my foundation, and my routine has not changed. Probably I'm using a brush now rather than a sponge. That's the only thing that has changed for my foundation routine. And I am just going ahead applying my foundation, ensuring that all the areas on my face is clear, smooth, has some product onto it. And after doing this, I'll just go ahead I look crazy, but yeah, this is what I was about to say. I'm gonna go ahead and do my contour and my highlights, and I'm using my Maybelline for highlights. I'm using Maybelline. I don't remember the shade, but I'll put it in the description. And for contour, I'm just using the LA Girls contour for my contour. Alright guys, so after doing this, I'm gonna go ahead and blend everything out, and yeah, that's it. Alright guys, so I'm almost at the end of my face. I removed the band from my hairline so as to start doing my hair, and of course I need to blend my hairline in with the rest of my face. And I just pick some of the contour powder and onto the brush and onto my hairline. Alright, so that's all I do to blend that area in. And I had already flat ironed my hair, and so I just go in with the pressing comb to kind of neaten it a bit. And I find that when I use a mousse on top of the hair first before using the pressing comb, it lies neater than if I don't use the mousse. Alright, so that's why I use the mousse, and I wanted something different for this hair, for this look, and so I added my pins to the hair, bobby pin. Wow. I'm always burning myself with this comb. You have to be very careful, guys. Alright, so all I did with my face for the rest of the face look, I added some glitters under my lower lashes, and again I used the eyelash glue. And the only drawback I find from using the eyelash glue to do that is the fact that the eyelash glue, you kinda let my eyelash like paste down a little bit, so you just want to get the glue on there and just get the glitters on there, because if you have to be there like messing with the glitter and try placing them properly, like let's let that card pass. Yeah, so if you kind of let it stay there for a little bit and try to move around the glitter, then your eyelash will start just gluing down. Right, and I didn't like that, but that's the only drawback I find from using the eyelash glue, eh? Alright, so here I am just straightening the hair so as to get it neat and make it look nice, you know what I mean? Alright, so this is basically all I do. I added some nude to my lips and some gloss on top of that. I don't know, I've been feeling glossy lips lately. So that's all I did, guys. And of course I used my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit for my highlights. So stick around to the end, you'll see the end result. Alright guys, so this is the end of this look. Tell me how you feel about this look, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl Missy Wang for more videos like this one. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.